Ever struggled with clunky blenders that just don't fit your busy lifestyle? Stick around, because today I'm revealing the top 8 portable smoothie blenders that make healthy living super easy, wherever you go. Hi friends, welcome to the channel. Grab your favorites through the links in the description and blend your way to a healthier you. On number 8 is COKUNST Portable Blender. Did you know most portable blenders fail not because of power, but because of poor safety design? That's where the COKUNST Portable Blender instantly stands out. Let's break it down. Safety first. The upgraded lock system only runs when perfectly aligned. No accidental splashes. No nervous blending. That small detail gives real peace of mind, especially compared to cheaper models in our top 8 lineup that start too easily. Smart design always wins. But is it powerful enough? Performance check. 6 stainless steel blades. 22,000 revolutions per minute. Smooth texture with soft fruits and protein shakes. In real-world testing, it handled bananas and berries easily, though tougher frozen chunks need extra liquid. That's honest performance. Curious about battery life? Battery and usability. USB rechargeable. 17-ounce capacity. One-touch control. If it jams, protection mode prevents damage. That's reliability many compact smoothie makers lack. Is it perfect? Not for heavy-duty ice crushing. But for travel, gym, office blending? It's a confident yes. If you want convenience, safety, and smooth daily shakes, this is a smart, stress-free pick. At number 7 is TOPZEE Smoothie Blender. What if I told you most compact smoothie makers can't truly crush ice? That's where the TOPZEE Smoothie Blender flips the script. Power first. A 1000-watt motor, peaking at 1200 watt. That's serious strength for a personal blender. Ice? Crushed. Frozen fruit? Smooth, if you add liquid and blend smart. Compared to smaller USB portable blenders in our top 8 lineup, this feels more like a mini powerhouse. But does power ruin texture? Taste and capacity. The 24-ounce cup gives room for real nutrition, protein shakes, baby food, even sauces. 6 stainless steel blades deliver consistent blending. Tested in daily routines, it feels dependable. Yet there's a catch. Ease and safety. Twist to start. Simple. But blades are exposed during cleaning, handle carefully. Short 60-second cycles keep the motor safe. Who should buy it? Fitness lovers and frozen drink fans, yes. Ultralight travel seekers, maybe not. For home, gym, and serious blending confidence? This one earns its spot. On number 6 is AMZCHEF Mini Blender. Ever wondered why some portable blenders leave chunks or foam in your smoothie? That's exactly why the AMZCHEF Mini Blender caught my attention. Blending power that surprises. With a 10-blade system spinning at 18,000 revolutions per minute and a clever 3D turbulence design, it crushes fruit and ice evenly. Unlike some of the other top 8 compact blenders we tested, it delivers consistently smooth texture without leaving unblended bits. Curious how it handles frozen berries? Freshness sealed. The innovative vacuum technology locks in flavor, vitamins, and protein. No separation, no foaming, just pure, fresh taste every sip. It's a relief for anyone tired of watery, oxidized smoothies. Portable convenience. 380 ml, 1 pound, flip-top design, Type-C waterproof charging, perfect for travel, gym, or office. Cleaning is simple, and Trident construction feels safe and durable. Who should grab it? Fitness enthusiasts, travelers, and busy health lovers. Heavy-duty ice crushers? Maybe look elsewhere. For smooth, portable, nutrient-rich drinks? This is a smart, stress-free choice. At number 5 is Hamilton Beach Blender for shakes. Ever thought a personal blender could actually make your mornings stress-free instead of messy? The Hamilton Beach Blender for shakes proves it can. Compact power. With durable stainless steel blades, this little powerhouse crushes ice, frozen fruits, and leafy greens effortlessly. Compared to other models in our top 8 portable smoothie blender roundup, it's surprisingly smooth for its size. Curious how it handles thick protein shakes? Convenience on the go. The 14-ounce BPA-free jar doubles as a travel cup and fits most car cup holders. One-touch operation makes morning routines a breeze. Lightweight, compact, and perfect for office, dorms, or small apartments. Cleaning and safety. Dishwasher-safe components and a simple design provide peace of mind. Who should buy it? Busy professionals, students, and health-conscious travelers. Heavy-duty blending? Maybe consider bigger alternatives. For smooth, portable shakes with zero fuss, this one's a solid pick. At number 4 is Bemerber electric blender. What if I told you a portable blender could deliver cafe-quality smoothies without worrying about safety or messy spills? That's exactly where the Bemerber electric blender shines. Power and precision. With 12 stainless steel blades spinning at 21,000 revolutions per minute and a 50-watt motor, it crushes ice, frozen fruits, and leafy greens with ease. Compared to other blenders in our top 8 portable smoothie blender lineup, this one feels incredibly reliable for everyday use. Wonder how it handles protein shakes or baby food? Safety and convenience. Smart clutch transmission and magnetic sensing switches prevent accidental starts. The 500ml BPA-free cup and USB-C charging make it portable and worry-free. We tested it in real-world comfort. It's light, durable, and easy to carry anywhere. Verdict. If you want a safe, powerful, travel-ready blender, this is a smart pick. Heavy-duty kitchen crushing? Maybe choose a larger unit. For daily, nutritious smoothies on the go, peace of mind included. On number 3 is Turelar Personal Blender. What if I told you your mornings could be transformed with just one portable blender? That's exactly the promise of the Turelar Personal Blender. Speed and smoothness. Its 20,000 revolutions per minute motor pulverizes ice, frozen fruits, and veggies in seconds. Compared to other blenders in our top 8 lineup, it's impressively fast while maintaining a velvety texture. Curious how it handles tough leafy greens or protein-packed shakes? Smart features. Adjustable speed settings preserve nutrients and extend motor life, while overload protection keeps everything safe. Heat vents stabilize performance during extended use, relief for anyone worried about burnout. Portable convenience. 2 24-ounce travel cups with spout lids let you blend and sip on the go. Cleaning is effortless with self-cleaning or removable blades. Verdict. If you want speed, versatility, and real-world comfort in a compact blender, this is a smart, reliable choice. Heavy ice crushing for parties? Maybe a larger model. For daily nutrition, at number 2 is Ninja Blast Max. What if I told you could get full-size blender power without being tied to a kitchen counter? That's exactly the game changer with the Ninja Blast Max. Power and portability. Thanks to Ninja Power Blast technology, this cordless blender crushes ice, frozen fruits, and protein-packed ingredients just like a full-size model. Compared to other top 8 portable smoothie blenders, its 22-ounce detachable twist-and-go vessel feels ultralight and travel-ready. Curious how it handles thick smoothies on the go? Smart features. 3 auto IQ programs, battery life indicator, and sip lid with silicone handle make blending effortless. The rechargeable base ensures plenty of runtime, while dishwasher-safe components simplify cleanup, peace of mind included. Verdict. If you want serious blending power, convenience, and versatility for gym, office, or travel, this one delivers. Heavy-duty meal prep? Maybe larger countertop models. For portable smoothies and frozen drinks with confidence, this is a smart, stress-free pick. Now moving to the last one is TOMUOO Mini Juicer. Did you know most portable blenders fail not from lack of power, but poor safety and messy designs? The TOMUOO Mini Juicer solves that in style. Speed meets smoothness. Its 6 stainless steel blades spin at 22,000 revolutions per minute, turning fruits and veggies into silky smoothies in under 30 seconds. Compared to other top 8 portable smoothie blenders, it's impressively fast while staying compact. Curious how it handles gym shakes or frozen berries? Safety and convenience. Magnetic induction ensures the blender only runs when properly aligned, no accidental starts. USB-C rechargeable battery with 4 LED power display keeps you informed and mobile. On the go ready. 17-ounce leak-proof cup with carry strap fits your lifestyle, while self-cleaning mode saves time. Verdict: if you want a safe, portable, and efficient blender for travel, workouts, or office use, this is a smart, worry-free pick. Heavy-duty ice crushing? Maybe consider a larger model. After testing all contenders in our top 8 portable smoothie blender lineup, the one that truly stands out is the Ninja Blast Max. Why? It combines powerful blending performance, cordless convenience, and real-world versatility that most portable blenders can't match. Its twist-and-go design with Auto IQ presets lets you crush ice and frozen fruits faster and smoother than many rivals. The battery life indicator and easy cleanup give you confidence and peace of mind on every use. If you want a travel-ready, powerful, and reliable daily blending solution, this is the smart pick that delivers value beyond its size. So guys, this was the video about the top 8 best portable smoothie blender. All the links are given in the description, do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.